Good morning. Today we are going to observe the different types of the physics concepts. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the natural phenomena. There are a large number of concepts in the physics which can be explained on the basis of the different demonstrations. So first demonstration I will show you about the resonance phenomenon. Resonance phenomenon can be explained by very easily by using a straw. Only one straw which is cut by here in two sides. When I blow it, there is a vibration. Vibration creates this sound production. So see, what is the level of the sound? Here the type of sound you heard. Now when I decrease the length of the straw, you can observe the change in the pitch of the sound. Like this. Still I will keep it. Look at it. How the pitch of the sound changes, intensity of the sound changes, frequency of the sound changes. Similarly, such type of the observations can be made by using the resonance phenomenon. Similarly, one more resonance experiments can be explained on the basis of strip experiments. So here there are number of strips of the same material. These materials are these of the iron, and the size of the strips changing. So here the white strip is of equal shape and size. Blue strip equal shape and size, and again the red strip. When I vibrate the white strip, what will happen? The vibrations created by this strip maximum absorbed by the second most white strip. When I vibrate one more strip, blue strip, what will happen? There is a large vibration in blue strip. That means vibration of this size and shape is absorbed by the blue one. When I vibrate the one more strip, here see, these vibrations created by the small strip, are absorbed by the red one. So that means what we tell is that the resonance depends upon the size and shape of the material. So this is the very simple concept can be explained on the basis of that is the strip model or the straw model. One more experiment I have explained you here. This is the simple pendulum connected by the one rod. When I oscillate one pendulum, what will happen? See, coupled pendulum. This is pendulum, one oscillation. This oscillation travel from one pendulum to other pendulum. This pendulum when stops, the other pendulum oscillates with maximum amplitude. Amplitude go on decreasing. When amplitude go on decreasing of this pendulum acquires maximum amplitude. So that means what? There is a transfer of energy from one pendulum to another pendulum. This is known as the coupled oscillations. So we can explain the coupled pendulum, theory of coupled pendulum by using this simple experiment. One more experiment I will show you here. This contains one magnet attached to the tip of this, that is the bottle, and another magnet I will put it in the bottle. When this bottle is the leave from certain height, what will happen? What will happen? I will leave it. Then the lower magnet attaches to the upper magnet. Why? This is because when I put this magnet in this bottle, then it is observed that there is a large distance between two magnets, and magnetic force unable to attract the below magnet. When I release the bottle, then I am giving the speed to the bottle as well as the magnet attached to the bottle tip. But this magnet remains for certain time at the same place, and at that time the two magnets come together, their distance decreases, and due to that the magnetic force come into act. So one more times I will show you. See the magnet in the bottom, that is the attaches to the upper magnet. So this can explain the Newton's law. That is the law can be explained on the basis of this one. Similarly, by using this magnet, one can explain the eddy current also. Here there are the two pipes of different material, one plastic material, another that is the aluminum material. So see what will happen when I drop a magnet from this plastic tube. What will happen? See, it will down 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Drop a magnet from this pipe. What will happen? See, immediately this pipe releases and magnet come down. But the same magnet, when I release through this pipe, what will happen? See, 1, 2, 3. I dropped it, but still the magnet is not coming up down, and after certain time this magnet comes down. Why? This is because of eddy currents. So this moving magnet creates some energy, given to this some energy in the electrons in this material. These material electrons revolve with some certain higher speed, which will create a current. That current is known as eddy current. This eddy current opposes the magnet. So therefore, this magnet, when I put through this hole, then it takes longer time. Slowly it comes and then it comes out. Thank you. About the ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are the very high intensity waves. When they utter, then there is a large vibrations created. So this is the ultrasonic wave producer. This produces, atomizes the material or water and creates a water vapor. So water is converted into water vapor by using the ultrasonic wave. So these simple experiments can tell the different type of, that is the property of the ultrasonic waves. So this is one more interesting experiment. Last experiment I will show here. This is about the change in momentum. So there are two balls. One ball is of plastic, one ball is of sponge. So when I throw one ball, then see the height rebound up to certain height. See, it rebounded about 2 to 3 feet comes out. But when I release this ball of the same height, then it will see that the small height comes. But when I drop these two balls at a time, what will happen? See, this ball rebounds very largely. This is because the momentum of this ball is transferred to the momentum towards this ball. So the change in momentum takes place when it is transferred by this ball to this ball, and therefore this ball has larger momentum and jumps to higher. Thank you.